All right, Jake, figured I'd take you for a about mile 10 through 13 drive here. Yeah, this sucker just wants to wheel hop with no weight on the rear end, so. And I gotta make the holes a little bit bigger in the blades. Yep. Can't hardly keep traction with this thing. Yeah, she's pretty quick. Good Lord. You're gonna get some tickets with this one. Yeah, really responsive, really powerful. So there it goes. I'm gonna turn down the fuel pressure a little bit with these big injectors, and then as it dials in, I'll probably walk it back up. But let's give it a little bit of a pull here. Yeah, it hits hard when you nail the gas. But so far, pretty good air fuel curves. So wanted to leave the bed off so I could test the fuel pumps, make sure they're keeping up. So far, really good. These quantum pumps are kind of the ticket with these bigger motors and the hotter cams and healthier builds and everything. But make sure this isn't a sheriff coming past me. I'll get on it again. But yeah, she's running pretty fat down low, but once again, cruising it. Approaching the 5,000 RPM and it hit the rev limiter, but yeah, really strong motor. Sounds really mean too with that roller cam. Oh, oh, you are gonna be thrilled, buddy. Yeah, for 37s with stock gears, this sucker moves. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to make those holes in the throttle body blade a little bit bigger for this stroker motor. Finally getting rid of a couple of the trucks in the backyard. We've pretty much picked them clean at this point, so yeah, that's where we need those bigger holes in it.